Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis. There is no any investment advice. They are just my personal thoughts, personal analysis, just for myself. You know that, so just move on. So what's going on, guys? Today in economic calendar there is not much things I can say it. Tomorrow have Fed, just we need to watch out, actually we know the result, but anyway, just in case, that time might be volatile in market, it. So we have one news that US President Donald Trump speaks on Iran and the Fed. Yes, he talked a lot, it, and he decided to talk on them, which is not affecting anything. But anyway, just in case, we need to know. He said about Iran that Iran, lying bomb on Hormuz. He said they exploded 30 ship of them, but they're still not sure. Like all bomb is over there. Previous day Iran told except Israel and Iran they opened the Hormuz for everyone. So it's still like that. The things Trump said, there are some countries who may defense on their sides. They accepted, but he not mentioning their name just because to not keep them under trouble. Is that like that? I don't know. Maybe there is nobody, that's why he cannot mention it, but none of our business. We just cares market. Okay, that's it. So also about Fed, he said not you. Fed must talk before it. They must, consider what I said, but I don't think so. Nobody gonna give a damn about anything. Whatever happen, it will happen tomorrow. So they will stay neutral, most probably. But just in case, we need to watch it, because we have some rise in market. It can change like this. That's why we will be careful. So guys, we see that how it's worked very well. My first opinion or second doesn't matter as long as it's worked. As I told you, if it break up, it dropped down 2.5 trillion. So if it can hodl over 2.5 trillion, you know what we will see? We will see big rise in market. But it must stay over here. It might drop down and rise again. That's also positive, but as long as we see a market, total market cap over 2.5, and we see that hodling over it, that's perfect. Okay, now move on. And what that's information, another information, when it's happened, it works best, I can say it. We see bearish flag, and there is also we see another one. So we will see 4,860 something like that. We will see in gold. So there still have drop. Yeah, it's make some zigzag movement over there, but I don't think so. It's pretty enough. So this goddamn silver made me angry again. Why? Because as you see, this is very small, and it will drop for sure, guys. Anyway, I will be fair, you know me. I'm always like that. I will make it stop, but things it will drop. So anyway, just move on, because there's have a lot of crypto that we need to look. So in Bitcoin, they would make drop and rise, or as I told you, it would make straight. It made middle of it, I can say it, because it made drop, yes, after this, and which is came exactly over here. After this, it's made drop till here, not till here. That's the differences, but that's still okay. After it made rise, as you see here. But the things what I did tell you yesterday, if it cannot hodl over 75,500, it will drop down. So what it made, same things what I said. It dropped down over here because it couldn't hodl over there. It need at least close to 3 candle, 3 good beautiful green candle over it, but it didn't make it, so it's dropped down. Now just I can say it would drop. There is two things it might make. If it decided to drop big correction, which is we don't want, it would come till 68. This is the why I cannot go there still. This is the most bad possible odds. So also it would drop and rise, and we know that if we can close a couple of candles over here over 76, we will see 87. This is still on the table, but the things we need to not forget that zone. So long story short, we can consider to make some position over 75, 76, or when it's dropped down, when it's made their correction here or here, doesn't matter. Ethereum, guys, Ethereum give our position very well. Yes, yesterday we said that, but after it didn't stop, so we cannot chase the top. That's okay, as long as we earn, that's enough. No need to be greedy. So what I'm thinking, what I'm seeing in Ethereum, I will tell you now. Just let's delete them. So Ethereum walking inside of one channel, but also there's another formation that I might consider at future. So if we have a cup, just in case, if we considering tomorrow have Fed, also there is 8 in close time after Ramadan, then we can consider there might some drops. That's why, guys, I can say that if it cannot surpass that level, we can see a handle on here, and it will come lower of this channel. Okay, so when we have this, if we see this formation happening, then we can see Ethereum on $2,900. So if this shape work, we will see that, but we need to see some direction. You know what, if it's drop, we might consider 2,180 to our lowest, or maybe it can make some wicks, as long as it's not lower than lower than 2070, we can consider long position for this cup handle formation. But so far I'm not gonna give anything because we need to see. Yes, that might be short, but also market can turn the other side. That's why it's not make sense. Just don't forget this formation, keep in your mind. Okay, BNB looks like it will drop for a while. I can say that how it will drop. No need to take weeks, like at least we will see 663, even 60. Let's make 660. We might see on BNB. But if it decided to rise, we have a still position, so we can consider to take it. In Sol rise like more than my so, and also it's gave at the previous days nice position for us. If it's walk like that and it's make head and shoulders, it would drop again 88. Yeah, that's possible, but as long as if it's her pace, if it's hodled over 92, guys, we might see good movement on Solana as well. And there's other things, it makes a triangle, so if it's the retest we might see Solana again on 110, but let's see, because guys, where is it? Yeah, sorry. Just let's see, cause we need to see market direction. If Solana wanted to rise, if it will spread, then it might rise. If it's not, if it work with others, then we need to wait. But long story short, we need to see direction. Bitcoin Cash, it looks like, I'm sorry, we got an alarm cause you don't know, I'm living in Dubai, so that's why. Let's continue anyway. So no worry, Bitcoin Cash will rise, at least just be loyal this position. Even it's not, it will just maybe 0.50 percentage, but I do believe it will rise still, cause it's also making, as I told you, this one XRP made a short stop. What's short? And this does not make sense now, just delete it. So it's not look good, it will looks like it will drop, but I'm not gonna make a position on it because it's like not good. So XLM, guys, excuse me, I will mark this as a success. It came till here, do you see? So you need to get some profit while it's rising, that's why it's another success. This weeks you see that, right, how important it's. When there is a pump you need to take it, because when there's a pump we know it will turn, it will drop down. That's why when you see some position, when you see some profit, just take it in your pocket. This is the best things in trade. When you're greedy, it's not working. Right now it's give us nice, what is this, 6.6% is good. And let's see, if it market decided to rise, we can open another position over here. Link, almost inside of the box, but it dropped down. Then I can say that if Link cannot surpass here, it might see 9.58 and it might make some reversal over that. If not, we will see online, but in good market we will take this box. So let me just little make it upper, this one. Now it's healthier. Zek, oh my gosh, Zek rise so much. I get some percentage on here, but it was evening, that's why I couldn't give you that. I'm sorry, but it gives like 30 percentage. My gosh, right now it's not make sense because it's already dropped, so we can be sure when it's make their reversal, then we can enter it. BGB reached our first target point. I told you 25 or 50 percentage need to close over here, then we can keep go, no worry, it will come. And Pippin, guys, what I did tell you, when it's drop, that's what I said exactly. When it drop, it will drop sharply, and as you see, because it was very obvious flag and this movement was telling it will be sharply, it gave us 30 percentage. I'm sorry, 30 percentage. Who gives you? It's me. Yeah, it was when I got it, it was hilarious. River still walking on their head and shoulders. Of course it may drop down. What I did tell you, it will drop, it will just hunt all people who opens long, who open shorts, they will make this movement, then it will give us this box, which is allowing us earn to 9900 percentage, 1x, perfect. Just take it with spot, that's it. Kite, since I bring this kite here, I didn't like that coin, just colors, no need. SOMI H bar dot. Yes, we got on dot very well, 8.5%, and also I told it will drop down and it will rise. So did things it will drop down. Maybe I can move this little higher. Why? To bring that level. Yeah, that's okay. So it will give 20%. That's good. Sky still in handle, it will give this, but it's for long time. Fed. Yesterday I wanted to open, short, luckily I did not, because I expect that movement from ZEC. That's why I didn't give you, and I was right. And Bitcoin, you know what I'm gonna make on Bitcoin? I will drop down this. Yes, safer. Just I don't want you to lose this word weeks, but it's short and long. That's okay. So guys, long story short, this is all things that I can say you today. We need to see some direction, and for that, we need some of movement, and tomorrow have Fed, you know it. That's why it's not make sense to make any position except what you have, because when there's a Fed, there's a volatility. That's why. Let's see what is the direction. If it make correction here or here, we will just jump in. That's it. So guys, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.